All right, we have Skills 2 Level 3 notes, and here we're talking about multi-step perimeter and area application problems. Okay, so this is the last part of Skills 2, and includes both Skills 2 and Skills 1. Okay, so the first one says calculate the perimeter and area accordingly using the rectangle and triangles below. Okay, so it gives us some information right here. It says AB, so this whole entire length of AB right there is 10 centimeters. Right, and then it says AD right over here. This is going to be 5 centimeters. All right, it's asking us first to go and find the perimeter of ABCD. So that's the whole entire thing, right? And this is a rectangle. So if AB is 10 centimeters, then DC is also 10 centimeters. And if AD is 5 centimeters, then BC is also 5 centimeters. So if I'm finding the perimeter, I'm just adding it all up together, right? 10 plus 5 is 15, plus another 10 is 25, 25 plus 5 is 30. So my answer is 30 centimeters, right? This is all Skills 1. All right, part B says find the area of ABCD. So again, that's the whole entire rectangle, right? We're just finding the area of a rectangle. Base times height. The base is 10 times the height, which is 5. So I have 50 centimeters squared. Because it's finding the area, we have to square it, right? And then it's asking us to find the area of ABD. So ABD is a triangle. Did you catch it? Maybe, maybe not. I can go ahead and redraw it over here. Oop, that is not a triangle. There you go. Cool, so here's A, here's B, here's D. AD we said it was 5 centimeters. AB is 10 centimeters. The area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So I have the base, which is 10, times the height, which is 5, all divided by 2. 10 times 5 is 50 divided by 2. I believe that gives me 25 centimeters squared. And these are the answers. Okay. All right, let's look at number 2. Mr. Lesnick is planning on laying carpet in his new rectangular living room. So there you go, that's our first hint. We have a rectangular living room, so I'm going to first start by just drawing a rectangle. Right, the dimensions of the room are 17 feet long, so here's 17 feet long, that's the length. And we have 9 feet wide, and that's the height. How many square feet of carpeting does he need to cover the room of his rectangular living room? Right, so we have to cover this whole entire space. So I do have to find the area. Since the rectangle, it's base times height. So I have 17 times 9. I actually don't know what that is, so I'm going to plug in my calculator. Let's see, 17 times 9, 153. So my area is 153. We're talking about feet, and it's going to be squared. And there's my answer. All right, and then we get number 3. It says find the area of the regular hexagon. And then the hint to us right here, it says all triangles shown are congruent. Okay, so regular hexagon means that every single side is going to be the 8 centimeters, which is shown in this picture. Okay, it also is telling us that every single triangle that is within this hexagon has the same exact length. They are equal, right? Congruent also means equal. So the way that we approach this problem is that we just have to find one triangle, so one area of a triangle, and then multiply it by how many triangles are within this hexagon. So if I'm looking at, there's 1 triangle, there's 2, there's 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6, so we'd have to multiply it by 6. Okay, so the first step is we have to go and find the area of the triangle. So the area of the triangle is base times height divided by 2. My base is 8. It looks like this little teeny tiny height is 6.9 divided by 2. And let's see what that gets us. I'm going to go ahead and do 8 times 6.9 divided by 2. That gives me a 27.6. Looks like we have centimeters squared. Okay, so that is the area of one of the different triangles, right? So your second step is, because it's a regular hexagon, I have to go and find the area of the hexagon, right? And that I'm just going to take the area of the triangle and multiply it by 6. So I'm going to take the 27.6 and I'm going to multiply it by 6 because there's 6 little triangles in this hexagon. And let's see what that gives us. 27.6 multiplied by 6. That gives me 165.6. 165.6. Looks like my unit is centimeters, and I have to go ahead and square it. And there's my answer. That's it. All we had to do was just go ahead and think about it in terms of our triangles.